Welcome to Woldside Classic and Sports Car. Today we're delighted to offer you this 2019 Porsche Boxster Roadster. It's a 718 with a 2-litre engine producing 300 brake horsepower, and it's got a PDK transmission. Vehicle's finished in white, as you can see, with black upholstery, over £12,000 worth of options from new, and it's covered just over 10,000 miles. We'll show you some of these options as we walk around the car. We'll start at the near side front. The first things you'll notice are park sensors, which are to the rear as well. Then we see these LED Porsche dynamic lighting system with the black surrounds. No stone chips or any marks to the front end or the front corners. Next thing we'll show you are the 20-inch Porsche Carrera S alloy wheels, which are finished in gloss black with gold crested centres. No damage to the wheels. We'll show you all of the wheels as we go around the car. This is a near side rear. Nice and clean under the body, as you can see. Other nice option is this white rollover hoop with a factory windbreak. And there you see the rear park sensors. The 718 badge is finished in silver. Again, no damage to the bumper corners, obviously helped by the addition of the park sensors. Okay, looking down the driver's side there, you'll see no damage, no dents or scratches. The rear driver's wheel, again in great condition. And finally, the driver's side front wheel, same again. We'll take you towards the interior of the car now. The first thing you'll notice are the Porsche Sport Seats Plus. They've got the crested headrests there. Finished in full black leather with heating. All in lovely condition. Coming around to the dashboard, the first thing you'll see is the Porsche Sport Chrono system at the top there, and also the satellite navigation system and stereo, heated seats, air conditioning, a PDK gearbox, and also as we pan down you'll see it's got a sports exhaust, switchable sports exhaust. The mileage on the vehicle is 10,077. It's got traffic sign recognition, it's got cruise control, it's got the paddle shifts, and it's also got this real nice Sport GT steering wheel, which is heated, multifunction and heated. You'll see the lap trigger there for the Sport Chrono. Auto lights, lovely condition, carpet mats there, and also you see there's no wear to the bolster on this car. As we come on the door trim, the main thing we'll see, we've got the Bose speakers there, which is also behind the driver and the passenger seats as well. So we'll just attempt to put the soft top up for you. Real quick on these late cars. Glass rear window, obviously. Black headlining. And there we are. Windows pop up afterwards. As we leave the car, you'll see the condition of the hood. It's a black hood. It's in super condition, as is the rest of the car. If you are interested in this car, give us a call on 01507 606 725, or for more details, see our website, woldsideclassics.co.uk. Thank you.